In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Google Cloud Shell. Whether you're new to Google Cloud or just looking to streamline your workflow, understanding how to effectively use Cloud Shell can be a game changer. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open the Google Cloud Console. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to cloud.google.com. If you haven't already, sign in using your Google account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted by the Google Cloud Console dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your cloud resources. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the Google Cloud Console. Type Cloud Shell into the search bar and hit Enter. This feature is a built-in command line interface for managing your Google Cloud resources, offering a convenient and powerful way to execute commands directly from your browser. It's worth noting that Cloud Shell comes with 5 GB of persistent storage and is pre-installed with numerous development tools, making it a robust environment for your cloud-based tasks. After searching for Cloud Shell, you'll see an option to activate it. Click on the Cloud Shell icon, which is typically represented by a small terminal icon in the top right corner of the console. This action will trigger the loading of your Cloud Shell session. It might take a few seconds for the terminal to initialize, so be patient as the environment sets itself up. During this time, Cloud Shell provisions a virtual machine for you and establishes a secure connection, getting everything ready for you to start working. Once the terminal has fully loaded, you'll see a command line interface at the bottom of your browser window. This is where the real magic happens. You're now ready to run commands. You can execute a wide range of tasks directly from here, such as managing your projects, deploying applications, and configuring services. The command line interface supports numerous programming languages and tools, allowing you to perform complex operations without leaving the browser. For those who are new to command line interfaces, it might seem a bit daunting at first. However, the key is to start with simple commands and gradually build up your skills. You could start by running basic commands like ls to list files in your current directory or pwd to print the working directory. As you become more comfortable, you can move on to more advanced tasks like deploying applications with gcloud commands or managing Kubernetes clusters. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use Cloud Shell, the more proficient you'll become. It's a versatile tool that can significantly enhance your productivity by allowing you to manage your Google Cloud resources efficiently and effectively. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to getting started with Google Cloud Shell. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel more confident in navigating and utilizing Google Cloud Shell for your projects. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing.